Hey y'all, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new video for you, and this is a new to me polish. So they kindly sent me, I believe, 12. So this is how the package arrived. It was just in a bag and they were all just kind of in here. But each polish is packaged pretty well. It's in its own little bubble kind of mailer, and then inside of that, I did take a little sneak peek of a couple. Inside of that is a box. So this is what the box looks like. I love the packaging. I don't love how it was shipped, but I love the packaging on it. The packaging's so cute, and you got a little cutout on the top that shows you the color. And then the bottle, oh gosh, I haven't seen this one yet. This one's bright. The bottle itself is really pretty. It's a pretty white bottle with a gorgeous little gold band on it. It has a gold little emblem on it, and then the name Blue Sky tells you how much is in the bottle. It's got the swatch on top, which I absolutely love. That is the exact color that is in the bottle. And then on the bottom, it tells you the name. So we've got lime green. So cute. So I'm gonna open all of these out of the little baggies, get them all out here. Then we'll open all the boxes, see all the colors, do some swatches. All right, so we've got them all unpackaged. We have some that said pastel on the package. Some said pastel, some said neutral, and some said neon. So we've got some really gorgeous neons, some really gorgeous neutrals, and this one is pastel. I don't know if there's any other ones that are pastel, but this one's definitely a pastel. So let's look at all the names of these. Just out of curiosity, I love seeing names. This one is called Loving Nature, and it's a gorgeous baby blue. Then we have a nice grass green color, which is called Jade, very appropriate. Then we have some neutrals. Let's look at those. Oh gosh, aren't those so pretty? I love this one. This one is called Soft Pink. It's very nudie. These are more pinky nude. Nude pink. This is going to be very popular amongst the clients, I'm sure of it. This one here is just called Nude. It's perfect. And then these ones are more of your neon kind of colors. Perfect for summer. We have Celeste, I believe. And it is a nice kind of like medium toned blue. Royal blue. So gorgeous. I need to crack this one open and look at it. This reminds me of, is it a Praisky? Oh my goodness. Stunning. Yeah, that's going to be very popular as well. Okay. This one is called Apple Green. Really pretty, really bright. This one is super neon. This one is called Lime Green. Yes. I don't need glasses. Everything's fine. Sorbet Zest. Ooh, it's a beautiful neon yellow. Then we have like a purpley pink kind of color here called Purity. So pretty. And then like a bright, perfect neon pink called Fuchsia Fumble. How cute. Love it. So I'm thinking clear swatch sticks, and we just swatch all the colors and check out the pigmentation. A couple of these may need some white underwear, probably this one and this one for sure, but we're gonna just swatch them on clear sticks. That gives us the best like way to tell like its pigmentation and if it's gonna need white under it or not. So I'm gonna get some clear swatch sticks. We're gonna swatch all of these. We'll do 2 coats. I'll do it how I do all of my swatch videos. We'll do 2 coats of them. I'll top coat off camera, and then maybe we'll do like a little design or something on my nails. I'm not sure yet. We'll just have to see how it goes. So let's get swatching. Okay, so we have all of the colors swatched. Was there 12 of them? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I thought I had 12. Hold on. Okay, now I have them all swatched. I forgot the yellow one. I don't know how I did that. But these three look a little bit similar sitting here, so I missed it. But now we have 12 of them. They are really, really pretty. I would say these definitely need 2 coats, but most of them build up really good in 2 coats. The neons, these 4 right here, if I were going to do them on a client, I would 100% put a white base down first to do them, but they actually do build up pretty nicely. they're not too bad at all, but I still would want a white base down just because it's going to make the colors pop so much more. So I'm going to do a little design for you guys. I'm actually going to do it on a swatch stick here. So I did some white ones to show you what the colors look like over white. And then we're going to do like a little design with the neons here over white because I think it's going to be so cute. And I'm excited to show it to you guys. The bottles are super nice. I love the bottles. They're absolutely gorgeous. The brushes are nice. I'm getting a little spoiled with those round tip brushes that everybody seems to have. These ones don't have that, but they're still a really nice brush. They work really well. So let me just show you what, a couple of these look like, especially like this one here, which is lime green over a white versus by itself here, which is this one. So I will show you the difference because I think it is worth putting a white base down. You're going to get that really bright, true neon glow to it. So this is 2 coats just on its own, and this is it over white. So bright, so vibrant. And then this is lime. Is it lime? No. Sorbet Zest. Sorry. Over white. And these would blend together so well if you wanted to do an ombre, which I just love doing. Look how pretty that is. Let me wipe off that brush before I put it back in the bottle. And this one is Lime Zest. Oops, let's get it on this side. And this, you can really tell a difference. Look at the difference in that. I mean, this just looks kind of, it's a yellow. It's kind of neon. And this looks like, bam, neon yellow. So pretty. So I'm just going to pop that in light. That's gorgeous. We're going to keep that. And then let's do one more over white to show you, and then we're going to do a little design. Let's do the pink. Oh, I love this pink so much. This one is Fuchsia Fumble and over white. Actually, we'll do an ombre with that too. We'll do Fuchsia Fumble and Purity. We'll do a little vertical ombre situation. I mean, because over white, you just need 1 coat of the color and it makes it so bright neon. Look at it. So pretty. Really brings out the color, the fuchsia color. I mean, this is pretty too. You could build it up with 2 coats, but I mean, you're going to get maybe a little bit of patchiness on the nail, but over white, it's absolute perfection. Let's grab this one. And we'll do a little ombre because I think it'll be super pretty together. Mainframe. These colors blend together so nicely. Look at that. Ooh, that's good. Good little blend. And I always wipe my brush off before I put it back in the bottle. Look at that. So this one's a little bit more purpley, but that is it on its own, and that is it over white. It's definitely more neon. But this is a beautiful, almost like an orchid kind of color on its own, but I just much prefer it over white. Just really gives its true neon effect. Okay, so I just laid out some colors on a palette here. We have Sorbet Zest, Lime Green, Fuchsia Fumble, Purity, and the blue Royal Blue out here on a palette. And we're gonna do a really simple, I've done this design before, a really simple tie-dye. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna alternate my colors here. This is the easiest way to get a really cool tie-dye effect. We'll go this way. Either way you wanna do your lines, doesn't matter. You can do your lines thinner, thicker. That is totally up to you. It's personal preference. So you get your line on, and I have somewhere a paper towel. Wipe off that color, go into the next. So I want to not do the 2 pink colors right next to each other. I want to kind of alternate a bit. So I'm going to do, and then I wouldn't want to put these 2 colors together either. So I'm going to do this one under the pink, which I think will look really cool. Art with your heart, guys. Do whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna try not to get those 2 muddied up. Okay, so next I'm gonna do the blue, the deeper blue. Sorry, I'm trying to do this on camera. It's a little harder. I think this blue over white looks really pretty too. These lines do not have to be perfect, you guys, at all. Next, I'm going to go back into the other like purpley pink. And then you're just going to continue to repeat the pattern until you get the entire nail covered. Again, do your lines thicker, thinner, whatever you want. And now the bright yellow color. Just try not to touch the other color while you're putting the new one down, and then start over. Okay, once you have your colors laid down, then you're just going to take your brush, and you can wipe your brush off in between the stripes. You cannot wipe your brush off in between the stripes. You're going to get a different effect either way. So I think it looks cool both ways. We're going to do the not wipe and just really have fun with it. And ta-da, just like that, you've got a really cool tie-dye effect. You can do thinner, thicker spaces in between. You can do all your lines in one direction. Again, you know, just use your imagination. Do whatever you like. I'm gonna add some more lines because why not? Ooh, I think that looks so cool. Look at that. Look how fun. And then you just cure it, top coat it, and you're done. You just need one coat of a white base and then one coat of your colors, and that's it. You're good to go. It looks so cool. The effect that this gives is really fun. You got your bright tie-dye neon nail. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna cure that. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Final thoughts, it's a great polish. It goes on really nicely. I like the brush, I love the bottles, the neons are fantastic. Put them over white and you are good to go. The nudes are absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely a 2-coat polish. So they are really nice, I like them. Thank you so much to Blue Sky for sending these over to me to swatch and check out. I'm going to be using these on my clients, so check back in with me and I'll let you know how it's going. I think they're going to really like these colors a lot. Again, thank you so much to Blue Sky for sending these over for me to check out. So fun. The little art, so fun. I love it. And if you guys want to check these polishes out for yourself, everything will be in the description box that you need to know. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so, so much for watching. And I'm going to keep trying out new things. So if you have any suggestions, definitely leave those in the comments and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the content. I super appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.